Hey, let me show you all call controls that you can use on the JBL Live Beam free. So by using the JBL headphones application, we can actually find gestures. And when you scroll on the left one, we can find double tap to answer incoming call or hang up ongoing call. When we tap and hold, we can reject incoming call or mute and unmute microphone during a call. So when you are actually in the call, you can actually mute and unmute your microphone. And when you go for the right one, it actually looks the same. You can answer, or am I wrong? Yeah, you can answer or hang up call and reject incoming call for the tap and the hold. And if you actually switch these options right here, it doesn't actually change. So this is like all controls that you can do right here on the left and the right earbud, and you cannot actually change them. You can customize them or, for example, turn them off. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.